What's going on, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to give you the answer for this very interesting question, and it's about old movie, cartoon movie. And here is the question: what cartoon was the inspiration for the 1981 arcade hit Donkey Kong? Well, I'll give you the answer for this question, and now that I'll show you a bit explanation about the answer. And here's the correct answer for the question. The answer for the question is Popeye, and here is the explanation of that answer. Originally a game based on the Popeye cartoon, Nintendo's is Japanese game maker. Nintendo's Donkey Kong transformed when a licensing deal fell through. The designer Shigeru Miyamoto replaced Popeye with Jumpman Mario, Bluto with a massive ape, and Olive Oyl with Pauline. The core gameplay remained, but the character shift birthed Donkey Kong, propelling Mario and Nintendo into gaming stardom. So that is correct answer for the question. Popeye, the Sailor Man, spinach. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.